And that's why I love the scriptures too. God told Abraham, come out from your, I always love that scripture. Come out from your country. Come out from your kindred. Come out from your father's house. And that's why I tell young people, if you're 20 and above, I don't care what life your father lived. If he's always in the bottle, that's his problem. Don't make it your problem. God told Abraham, come out from your father's house. Why would God tell Abraham to come out from his father's house? Drop your father's attitude. Drop your father's drinking. Drop your father's lackadaisical behavior, licentiousness, covetousness. Your father is always wanting to do this, get this, always buying stuff, and always broke. Drop it. You cannot be like him. Your father is always living ostentatious lifestyle when he really doesn't have the money. You don't have to be like him. You don't have